Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Grammarly and signing in. Make this immediate so suggestions appear as you type. Once done, set clear goals, choose tone, intent, and audience because that guides corrections. Make sure to toggle real-time suggestions and set the strictness level. This affects how aggressive edits are. You'll avoid repetitive baseline fixes and focus on meaningful changes. As you type, trust initial suggestions but don't accept everything. Learn why each change is proposed. You now move into deeper editing. Address critical grammar and spelling first because those break comprehension. Next, refine clarity and delivery suggestions to tighten sentences. Reorganize only after you see recurring patterns. Use Grammarly's explanation pop-ups to understand the rule so mistakes stop repeating. Once comfortable, customize your dictionary and add preferred words to reduce false positives. Keep checking tone statistics to ensure alignment with your goals. This makes edits both efficient and intentional. You finish by doing a targeted final read. Accept useful changes, reject irrelevant ones, and rewrite anything that still feels off. Then run a plagiarism check and review tone metrics for consistency. These last steps polish your draft. If Grammarly's suggestions seem repeatedly incorrect, reset your goals or mute the specific rule so it stops flagging normal usage. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the cache, reinstall the extension, or toggle Grammarly off and on to resolve persistent syncing or suggestion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.